Welcome to our beginner's guide to the keto diet. In this video, we will explore the ins and outs of the keto diet, its basic principles and how it can benefit beginners looking to kickstart their health journey. So, what exactly is the keto diet? The keto diet, short for ketogenic diet, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that aims to put your body in a state of ketosis. Ketosis is a metabolic state where your body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates, leading to weight loss and other health benefits. For beginners, the keto diet offers a range of benefits. By reducing your carb intake and increasing healthy fats, you can experience improved energy levels, better mental clarity, and enhanced focus. Additionally, the keto diet can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cravings, making it easier to stick to your dietary goals. One of the key advantages of the keto diet for beginners is its ability to assist in fat burn and weight loss. By shifting your body's primary fuel source from carbs to fats, you can effectively burn stored fat for energy, leading to a slimmer waistline and improved body composition. Stay tuned to learn more about how you can successfully navigate the keto diet as a beginner. Understanding keto diet. To truly grasp the essence of the keto diet, it's essential to delve into how it works and what it entails. At the core of the keto diet is the concept of ketosis, a metabolic state where the body shifts from using carbohydrates as its primary fuel source to burning fat for energy. This process is achieved by drastically reducing carb intake and increasing the consumption of healthy fats and moderate amounts of protein. Carbohydrates play a crucial role in the keto diet as they are limited to a minimal amount to prompt the body to enter ketosis. By restricting carbs, the body depletes its glycogen stores and turns to fat for fuel, leading to the production of ketones. These ketones are then used by the body and brain as an alternative energy source, resulting in increased fat burning and weight loss. When following a keto diet, individuals typically consume foods high in healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and oils, along with moderate amounts of protein from sources like meat, fish, and eggs. Carbohydrate intake is limited to non-starchy vegetables, berries, and small portions of low-carb fruits to maintain ketosis. By understanding the principles of the keto diet and adhering to its guidelines, individuals can harness the power of fat burning and achieve their health goals effectively. Benefits of keto diet. Embarking on a keto diet journey can bring forth a multitude of benefits that extend beyond just weight loss. Let's explore some of the key advantages of following a keto diet and how it can positively impact your overall well-being. One of the standout benefits of the keto diet is its ability to enhance energy levels and mental clarity. By stabilizing blood sugar levels and providing a consistent source of fuel from fats, the keto diet can prevent energy crashes and promote sustained focus and cognitive function. Many individuals report feeling more alert and productive when following a keto diet, making it an attractive option for those seeking mental sharpness. For individuals with certain health conditions such as epilepsy, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndrome, the keto diet has shown promising results in managing symptoms and improving health outcomes. The therapeutic effects of ketosis can help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and support weight management, making it a valuable tool in the management of these conditions. Moreover, the keto diet can have a profound impact on overall well-being by reducing cravings, promoting satiety, and improving metabolic health. By prioritizing nutrient-dense foods and minimizing processed carbohydrates, individuals can experience improved digestion, better sleep quality, and a heightened sense of vitality. Embrace the transformative benefits of the keto diet and unlock a healthier, happier you. The keto diet is renowned for its remarkable ability to facilitate fat burn and promote sustainable weight loss through the metabolic state of ketosis. Let's delve into the mechanisms behind how the keto diet aids in fat burn and sheds those stubborn pounds. In ketosis, the body switches from utilizing carbohydrates for energy to burning fat as its primary fuel source. This shift prompts the liver to produce ketones, which are byproducts of fat metabolism. These ketones are then used by the body's cells for energy, effectively tapping into stored fat reserves and accelerating fat burn. By maintaining a state of ketosis through a low-carb, high-fat diet, individuals can optimize fat burning and achieve their weight loss goals. The keto diet's emphasis on fat consumption and minimal carb intake can lead to sustainable weight loss by promoting satiety, reducing hunger cravings, and stabilizing blood sugar levels. Unlike traditional low-fat diets that often leave individuals feeling deprived and hungry, the keto diet offers a satisfying way to eat while still achieving weight loss success. To optimize fat burn and weight loss on a keto diet, it's essential to focus on consuming healthy fats, moderate protein, and low-carb vegetables. Incorporating intermittent fasting, staying hydrated, and engaging in regular physical activity can further enhance fat burning potential. By adhering to these guidelines and staying consistent with your keto diet, you can harness the power of fat burn and achieve lasting weight loss results. As beginners embark on their keto diet journey, it's important to be aware of potential side effects that may arise as the body adapts to this new way of eating. Let's explore some common side effects and strategies for managing them effectively. One of the most frequently reported side effects of starting a keto diet is the infamous keto flu. Symptoms of keto flu can include fatigue, headaches, dizziness, and irritability as the body transitions into ketosis. Additionally, some individuals may experience dehydration due to the diuretic effect of ketosis, leading to electrolyte imbalances and potential muscle cramps. To mitigate these side effects, it's crucial to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and replenishing electrolytes through sources like salt, potassium, and magnesium. Incorporating nutrient-dense foods and staying mindful of your body's signals can help alleviate symptoms of keto flu and dehydration. It's essential to consult a healthcare professional before embarking on a keto diet, especially if you have underlying health conditions or concerns. A healthcare provider can offer personalized guidance, monitor your progress, and address any potential risks or complications that may arise. Remember, listening to your body, staying hydrated, and seeking professional advice are key steps in navigating the side effects of the keto diet as a beginner. Looking to streamline your keto diet journey and maximize your success? Look no further than the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan, available for you in the video description below. Let's explore the benefits of following a structured meal plan and how it can revolutionize your keto experience. Following a structured meal plan on a keto diet offers a myriad of benefits, including simplifying meal preparation, ensuring balanced nutrition, and promoting adherence to your dietary goals. By having a clear roadmap of what to eat and when, you can eliminate guesswork, reduce decision fatigue, and stay on track with your macros and calorie targets. The Ultimate Keto Meal Plan is designed with convenience and effectiveness in mind, offering a variety of delicious and satisfying recipes that align with keto principles. From hearty breakfast options to savory dinners and indulgent desserts, this meal plan caters to your taste preferences while supporting your fat-burning goals. Please check out the link in the description to access the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan to receive comprehensive support and guidance in your keto journey. Whether you're a beginner looking to kickstart your health transformation or a seasoned keto enthusiast seeking fresh inspiration, this meal plan is your key to success. Embrace the convenience, flavor, and results that the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan has to offer and elevate your keto experience to new heights. Combining the powerful duo of the keto diet with intermittent fasting can supercharge your health and weight loss goals. Let's delve into the benefits of integrating intermittent fasting into your keto lifestyle and how these two strategies work synergistically to optimize your results. Intermittent fasting complements the keto diet by enhancing the effects of ketosis and accelerating fat burning. By incorporating periods of fasting into your eating schedule, You can deplete glycogen stores more quickly, transition into ketosis faster, and increase the production of ketones for energy. This metabolic synergy between intermittent fasting and the keto diet promotes deeper fat burn, improved metabolic flexibility, and enhanced weight loss outcomes. The potential synergies between the keto diet and intermittent fasting extend beyond fat loss to include benefits such as improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, and enhanced cellular repair processes. By aligning these two dietary approaches, you can unlock a host of health benefits that support overall well-being and longevity. To safely incorporate intermittent fasting into your keto lifestyle, start gradually by extending your fasting window over time and listening to your body's hunger cues. Stay hydrated, prioritize nutrient-dense meals during eating windows, and monitor your energy levels and overall well-being. Consulting with a healthcare professional before embarking on intermittent fasting can provide personalized guidance and ensure a safe and effective integration into your keto journey. Embrace the transformative power of keto diet with intermittent fasting and witness the remarkable synergy between these two strategies in optimizing your health and vitality. As we wrap up our exploration of the keto diet for beginners, let's recap the essential points covered and empower you to take the next steps on your health journey. Remember, your health and well-being are within reach with the right knowledge and commitment. We've delved into the fundamentals of the keto diet, understanding its principles, benefits, and potential side effects. From fat burn and weight loss to improved energy levels and mental clarity, the keto diet offers a transformative path to a healthier lifestyle. I encourage you to take action today by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who may benefit from the insights shared. Your engagement fuels our mission to educate and inspire individuals on their wellness journeys. For those eager to dive deeper into the world of keto and wellness, consider exploring related content on our channel for additional resources to support your keto lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on this keto diet journey. Remember, every step you take towards better health is a step in the right direction. Stay motivated, stay informed, and embrace the power of the keto diet to transform your life. See you in the next video.